Yo, I was trying to surprise my friend with a birthday cake. The place says it's open online, but then I got here and it's closed. So now I gotta go to tous les jours. It's like 6 minutes away from here. So I'm just gonna head there. And then after that, we'll see where we get. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. And after that, we gotta head back to New York. Yes, and it's raining. Bad. Finally, here's the tous les jours. Oh my gosh, somebody's gonna park where I wanna park.
Friday clock just hit 5. Shake the week off, feel alive. Jeans ripped at the knee, lipstick stains on whiskey. Neon lights through Uber glass, laughing at our working class. Modest problems fade to gray, weekend vibes won't obey. Weekend vibes in stereo, baseline deep, let's move slow. Every worry left behind.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing good because I'm doing well, thank you. Today is Saturday, and I am going through my stuff. So the vlog for today will be a bit different because I'm like redecorating my room, and like right now I don't know if you can see in the background, but like a lot of stuff are on the ground. My bed is not done because I got some stuff coming from Amazon, which yeah, there's a lot of things. So I am going to change my room a little bit because it's spring, and yeah, I kind of like to go by the season. And then yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film all the thing, but I'll try to include some clips of how it's going. So first I'm gonna try to change my doorknob. The other one broke, I don't know how, but it hasn't been there for a little while. Like the outside one is there, but then the inside is not, so I'm gonna change them. I don't know, I'm still missing something. So I am going to get my nails removed. It's been here past 2 weeks if I'm not wrong. I have an appointment tomorrow to get my birthday nails. Yeah, my birthday is the 15th, and yeah, I have to go get them removed, like soak off. I was gonna do it tomorrow, but since my appointment is in the morning, I won't have time to get there, and then in some like places don't open until 8-9. So yeah, just to be on the safer place, I will get them removed right now. So it's my nail appointment day, and well, my nail artist is running a bit late. Our appointment is supposed to be at 9:30. She's gonna be here around 10, and it's already like 9:45. So I'm gonna start heading out. I wanted to grab a coffee, but then at the same time I was just like, I don't know. I'm just gonna get my coconut water and be on my way.
Fools, but hearts align. Sunday, scary, stay away. We've got 48 to play. When the clock tries to intrude, we just turn up the mood. We just turn up the mood. You win out all in a dirt sheet, and every note I'm meant to be. Trying to hold on to the day, how we finally forsake. Ever crawling if tell, just how we can naked here. If a battle ever came, how we still fight away. Weekend vibes in stereo, baseline deep, let's move slow. Every worry left behind, dancing.
Assalamu alaikum. So today is maintenance day. I I was able to get my nails done yesterday, which was a big relief because today I'm just gonna focus on my hair, my lashes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a facial because yesterday was my facial appointment, which I forgot, and I took the appointment at the same time as my nail appointment. So I was like, you know what, gotta make a choice. But we're going to get our our lashes first. Yeah, so my appointment for the lashes are 10 a.m. now it's 8:35. I'm gonna start heading out. After that, I'm gonna go to my hairstylist, and then yeah, catch you guys later. This is actually my first time getting bottom lashes, like.
But it's natural.
Yeah.
I used to be that. I can't do that, honey. Life hit, and build.
Assalamualaikum. I hope you're doing good. So today's my birthday. Feels a bit weird turning old, but I had an amazing day, but really not doing much. I am actually going to go for a solo date. Not because I don't have anybody to go with me, but it's just that I wanted to spend some time with myself. So I have a reservation at this restaurant called Attic, and it's not really far, so I'm gonna go there and have some time for myself. And like, alhamdulillah, I'm 1 more year older. It's been a hell of a week. Yesterday was really a bad start, but it went by, and today, alhamdulillah, everything is going good. So yeah, I will catch you guys later. Bye.
Sunday scary, stay away. We've got 40 to play. When the clock tries to intrude.
I don't know what's going on, but I don't know if I'm full or not, but I know I feel so weird, like right now. But I'm enjoying it though. It's pretty nice. The ambiance is calm. The people are nice. No complaints. I mean, I've saw several reviews on TikTok how they were bad, but I haven't seen that.
Friday clock just hit 5. Shake the week off, feel alive. Jeans ripped at the knee, lipstick stains on whiskey. Neon lights through Uber glass, laughing at our working class. Money's problems fade to gray, weekend vibes won't obey.
I had an amazing night, y'all. It's time for me to go. The restaurant was good, the food was good. So yeah, see you later.